Hi everyone, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. In this video, we will see how to link social media accounts to your Twitch account. Also, I wonder why you want to know how to link social media accounts to Twitch account. It is because you want to grow your audience by linking your social media accounts to your Twitch account so that the audience in your Twitch account could get to your other social media platforms. Or maybe there could be any other reason for you to do that. So in this video, I'll show you how easily you could do it. Also, I will try to leave written instructions in the description so you can check that as well. So first thing that you have to make sure that you have already installed the Twitch app in your mobile phone, and if you have still not installed it, then you can install it from Google Play Store or App Store. After that, you have to make sure you have already created your account on it, and right now you're logged in with that account. So just simply tap on the icon of the Twitch app to open the app. Once you open the app, you will see its interface. This is how the Twitch app looks. So here we have options all over the screen, at the top, in the middle, and in the bottom. So at the bottom we have four options. You have to make sure that you get to this first option, which is following. Once you get to this option, on the top left side you will see your profile picture or maybe profile icon. So for that you just have to simply tap on this option to get into this option. And once you get there, you will see this option at the top written account. That means we are into the account system where we could see different options. So from all these options, we have to select this first option which says my channel, this one. Just simply tap on it. So here we are now in the profile where you could see your profile picture, your banner, your name, your other personal stuff. That means we are in the profile. Here we have an option on the top right side of the screen which says edit profile. We have to get into this profile through which we can edit a profile by just adding different social media links. So for that you just have to simply tap on this option and then we will get into edit profile. On the top, as you read, it is written edit profile. That means we are at the right place. Here you can edit all your personal information like your name, your username, your banner, profile picture, and different stuff. At the bottom, we have this option which says social links, and at it, we have this first option which says manage social links. You just have to simply click on this option so that we could link our different kind of social media links like Facebook, Snapchat, Twitter, Instagram, and whatever links you use. You can also attach your business links to your account by this option. By doing all that, you can get your Twitch audience to your other platforms like Instagram or Facebook and whatever you attach. So for that, just simply click on this option. After that, you will get into this page which says social links, and under it we have this option add social links. It also has a plus icon. You have to click on this option so that we could add different kind of social links here. Once you click on it, you will see two options. First, you have to name the link. For example, if you're pasting a link of Facebook, then you have to type Facebook. If it's Instagram, then type Instagram. If it's Twitter, then type Twitter. Once you're done typing that name, after that you will see this option. Here you have to paste the link of your social media. For example, on the top it is written Facebook. That means I have to paste the Facebook link. Once you paste it, what you have to do is you just have to simply click on add, which is on the top right side of the screen. This one you have to click on this option, and after that the link will be posted on your profile. So this was the easiest way I know through which you can link your social media accounts to your Twitch account. If you know any other way of doing it, so let me know in the comment section below. Also make sure to subscribe the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. And thank you for watching the video.